Yo, in this video I'm going to show you how to animate your ads. Now I'm currently inside a platform called Pletor. Pletor is something similar to Weavy and FreePix Spaces, but I prefer using Pletor and I'll show you in this video exactly why. Now you can obviously do this also in Weavy. You can just copy all my steps and make this work on Weavy. It will still work. This is just a preference thing. So how to animate ads that will look like this. As you can see here, we have fake out-of-home ads that we have generated from these normal static ads, and I will show you how you can do this. As you can see, the bus here is moving. So yeah, let's get into this. So first things first, you obviously want to put your product in here in this image prompt. You want to make sure it's a clean picture, and then also put the page URL, the website of the product, because we can use here creative assistants that will extract all the details, first of all, from this product and also from the website itself. Now, what this does, or what we use this for, it helps us then create better prompts, pretty much prompts that are basically based on the product itself. So yeah, that's why we use these creative assistants, basically because they help us extract the details from the websites and create better prompts, which obviously help us a lot because then we're not guessing anymore. We know exactly what we want and how we can use this. So after we have extracted all the details, we create a creative assistant that basically specializes in cinematic fake out-of-home campaigns. And with this creative assistance, we can use actually also here, you can see we can use Gemini, we can use Claude, we can use ChatGPT, doesn't matter. But the one thing I like inside of Pletor is when we use these notes, there is something called creative assistant, as you can see here. Now when you press on this creative assistant, you can choose from these text assistants. For example, let's say you need a Clink 3.0 cinematic prompter or 11 Labs prompter or even static ads prompter. You can click on it and then you will get automatic instructions and everything inside of here. Then all you have to do is connect your text prompt, your media files, brand system, and that's it. That's how it works. So yeah, that's something that I like inside of this platform. Now, after we have generated, based on this brand brief, are 3 different prompts for our static ads, we then connect multiple nodes with Nano Banana Pro and generate multiple images. One, you can see here we have Paris, Billboard, New York City, Tokyo, and Dubai. Now, how this works is inside of this prompt, we have received multiple prompts that we can then use for each of these scenes. And that's how it works pretty much. So after we have generated all these static ads, as you can see here with our prompts, and you can basically also choose here what type of aspect ratio you want and everything, then we can go and connect our other node, which would be in this time video prompt enhancement specialist, that basically will help us animate these cinematic ads. Now what we can do here is, as I've done it here, I have connected this picture. As you can see, when I press on it, you can see the hovering. I've connected this picture to this node here and also to this one because I wanted to test how these two work and how they look. And when you create these videos, you want to have a text, which is this one, a prompt for Clink 3.0 that will help us generate this video, and also a first image frame, which we used was this one. You can also add an end frame, but it's not necessary in our part right now. So after you have connected these two nodes together, as you can see, a text prompt and the image prompt, then you press on run, and from this image you get this output. This is how basically it looks. Now obviously this isn't perfect 100%, you can see at the end there are some mistakes, but this is how it works. This is just for demonstration purposes. You can still rerun this again, generate something new. As you can see, we have created something here too. This one looks a lot better. Then we have something that is with a static camera, just a slow zoom in basically New York City or Tokyo. I'm not even sure what exactly this is. underground. And then we have here a video from, I think this is London, where the bus basically moves with the brand's name, logo, and so on and so forth. And this is how you create these videos. Now you can also merge them all together if in one video and download them, where you can basically press on this plus button, connect all these videos together, and then what you can do is you can just press merge, press run, and then instead of downloading each one, you can download all together, and then you have your one finished video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you check out my free community that I have. I have a lot more free workflows and templates when it comes to creating AI content. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can check it out, and make sure you hit a subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.